Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean a Frigidaire Gallery Nugget ice maker in 2026. Now over time, the mineral buildup, the mold and the residue can collect inside the machine, and this can affect the ice taste, performance and even cause errors. So cleaning isn't optional, it is absolutely essential. So first of all, you need to start by turning the unit off, and then you need to unplug it. Remove all the ice from the basket and drain any kind of remaining water from the reservoir. This prepares the machine for safe cleaning. Now you need to mix a solution. In it there would be warm water plus white vinegar, or you can also use a descaling solution. This is going to help break down the mineral deposits inside the system. Now you need to pour the solution into the water tank, turn the machine on and activate the cleaning mode if it is available in your machine. So let it run through a full cycle so that the solution flows through the internal pipes. Now you need to open the lid and wipe inside using a soft cloth or sponge. Just focus on the ice tray and chute, walls and corners, sensor areas. Avoid any harsh scrubbing and just be gentle. After cleaning, simply drain the solution completely, refill with the clean water and run 1 to 2 rinse cycles to remove any kind of vinegar taste and residue. Wipe the outside with the dry or slightly damp cloth and leave the lid open for a few minutes to let everything dry completely before using it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.